let us know about the right and left brain concept. In the cerebral cortex, the left hemisphere is connected to the skin receptors in the right half of the body. It also controls the muscles on the right side of the body. The right hemisphere is connected to the sensory receptors on the left half of the body. It controls muscles on the left side. Both the hemispheres are also connected to the eyes. The sensory nerve tract of the left eye is connected to the right hemisphere and the right eye to the left hemisphere through the optic chiasma. Thus, the left half sees the right half of the world, while the right half sees only the left half of the world. The left and right hemispheres exchange information through a set of axons called the corpus callosum and also through anterior commissure and hippocampal commissure. The two hemispheres have their own specific functions, and the above division of functions or labor between the two hemispheres is called lateralization. The corpus callosum enables the right and the left half of the brain to operate cooperatively instead of independently. The anterior commissure plays an important role in unifying the emotional responses of two sides of the brain. Damage to the corpus callosum blocks the exchange of information between the two hemispheres. The left brain is concerned with language, number skills, reasoning, spoken language, scientific skills, and right hand control. The right brain is concerned with art awareness, imagination, visual functions, emotions, music awareness, 3D forms, and left hand controls. The left brain is meant for analytical tasks, while the right brain is for creative tasks.